Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. We've got more energy than ever. It's amazing when you take your medicine and do the right thing and eat healthy and don't drink. But anyway, we are back on the lifted Corvette project here. We are going to go ahead and install, as you can tell, the tires are a little bit close here. I could have shortened the frame, went through all that, but I think it's perfect the way it is. But I hit up Rough Country. They said, let's do a lift kit. I said, okay, perfect. We were going to do a 6-inch, but I think I only want to do a 2.5-inch kit on this. I don't want this thing to be too crazy tall. As of right now, like it's sort of the perfect height to get in and out of. It's not crazy hard to get in and out of. It's just kind of like a normal, we'll call it a normal build. Yes, it's still taller technically to get in and out of than my Denali is, but I don't want to make it too over the top. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and install this 2.5-inch lift kit today, and then we'll get it aligned, which is exciting because I kind of really want to drive this thing down the road safely and the right way, because right now the front wheels were like cambered in pretty hard, but this should take care of it. We'll get it dropped off, get an alignment done, and get this thing out in the trails. I love my baby mama. I never want a wheeler. Oh, we can get back to the techno. We'll put that in.
What they do, and now I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this.
We are plugging and chugging. I heard the GoPro die a little bit ago, but I actually had to cut out the bolt for the top one here because it was absolutely seized in there and I did not feel like messing with it. So I went ahead and cut that out, and I think somewhere around that time is when the GoPro died. But we got our new control arm up here in place. Basically what I'm going to go ahead and do is I got the torsion keys out. Now I did spray these and white lithium grease these probably like a month and a half ago because I knew I was going to be doing this. So these actually came out super easy. Both sides are actually already done, and you can see the new keys are in there. So now I just got to go ahead and put this control arm up. I'm going to go over to the other side, do the control arm, the drop brackets for the front diff, and this is a super simple setup. So oh, and bolt the shocks back in. So couldn't be any more easy than this. I'm excited. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep plugging and chugging. All right, so as you do know, I did have to cut the back camber bolt here. So I went ahead and ordered one. It won't be here till tomorrow, but I want to get this thing on the ground. So we got a camber adjust bolt here, just not in the back here. I just have a bolt through it. So I'm not gonna, well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. Got the shock and everything in. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it. I got the bolts and everything back in for the torsion keys back here. And I'm gonna go over and finish the other side.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids
since I did the other side here, I figured I would kind of show you guys like a step-by-step of how I'm gonna do this. Basically, to do, if you've never taken a control arm off, it is super simple. At least, you know, with a little bit of knowledge and the right tools, you can do it pretty easily. So this is a 10 millimeter. You're gonna wanna go ahead and take off. That's for the ABS wire. Right here is the brake line. That is a 13. Now on the inside, there might actually be, yeah, so there's a bolt on the back side. So you need a wrench for the back, wrench for the front. And that will come off, and then you'll go ahead, and these are 21s. Now you are going to want to put these in relatively the same area, but we are going to get this thing aligned. I know how to tape measure it out. I know how to do it. I've done a couple of them. So when I go ahead and put it back, I'm going to go ahead and put it back to where it, you know, appears to be, or where I think it's going to be the best suit. But you're going to want to put it back. Probably take a picture is the best way to do it, and then just put it back where you see the picture. But let's go ahead and get this thing disassembled. The other thing is there's a ball joint bolt down here. You'll take the cotter pin out and loosen that one up. I believe that's a 22 millimeter. These are 21 millimeters, 10, 13, and you should be out. Then the other thing is going to be the shock, which is 18, 18, 18, 18, comes right out. This is just one bolt, but 18 on this side, hold it, 18 on this side, zip it out. Same with the bottom, 18 here, 18 there, zip it out. Good to go. And that is pretty simple for the lift on this. So let me go ahead and set you up with a little time lapse here. I'm going to go ahead and do this upper control arm.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
All right, guys and girls, well, as you can tell here, I went ahead and took the bumper off only because the way I had it, I couldn't actually get the door closed last night. Silly me. But these bolts I could not get to budge whatsoever. You can see how rusty they actually are on the inside here. I went ahead and got my ball joint press out and went ahead and just pressed them out. I got one out by itself on this side. I think it was the top one that came free by itself, and the lower one over there went about a quarter way, and then I actually had to use the press to get it the rest of the way out. So 3 of the 4 back here were pretty seized, but we got them going out. So the factory shackle would be like that there, and we went ahead, and this is going to be the 2-inch drop shackle for the rear. So let's go ahead and get it installed.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay
what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
as you can tell, we still got the bumper off. Here's what it actually looks like with the bumper off. It looks absolutely terrible, but we are going to go ahead and fab up basically a hitch design back here. And then what I actually want to do is put exhaust in sort of like the factory location to kind of also utilize some of the gap back here. And then in the center, I'll do some sort of beauty trim, or who knows, maybe I'll do something tacky. I don't really know 100% yet, but we do have a hitch here that we are going to mount into place, but that's going to be another video. So let's get this thing up here and I can give you guys a final look of how this 2.5-inch rough country lift kit came out. There's a little bit of a sneak peek, but that's about it. Stay tuned. The Corvette actually, with the hatch up, actually has a lot more room. Like, they're actually pretty comfortable back here. So I think what we're gonna do is do some jump seats out of like a Ford Ranger or like a S10 Blazer or something. We'll put jump seats back in here for the kids, and we should be able to do some off-roading with them actually in this thing and safely. So we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Actually, now I just wanted to kind of show you guys that they have plenty of room back there.